One, two, three.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a three-part session of today's Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum. This morning, pag-uusapan po natin ang basketball, which is somehow related to the Olympics, at ang isa pa pong napaka-popular na sport ngayon, ang boxing. Also, sa larangan po yan ng Olympics. I'm Randy Calawag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Magandang umaga po, Philippine Sports Writers Association. Welcome to our session for today. Tayo ay narito sa ground floor ng Philippine Sports Commission Building, ang kanilang conference hall. At live tayo via the Facebook page of our Philippine Sports Writers Association at on a delayed basis sa Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating sports radio. Ako po si Judy Carinado.
Bago ang lahat, partner, nais natin pasalamatan ating mga partners: Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Smart, PLDT, Nestle, Milo Philippines, Arena Plus. Yan po ay sa ngalan ng ating Pangulo, ng PSA, si Nelson Beltran, Sports Editor ng Philippine Star. Good morning, partner.
Unang bahagi ng ating talakayan ay patungkol sa isang liga, ang Perlas ng Silangan League. Narito po ang kanilang founder na other than Mr. Christian Mensomo, ang kanilang co-founder na si Sir Nato Agbayani, at ang kanilang consultant, Mr. Rudy Aquino. Magandang umaga po. Welcome po sa ating session. Mr. Christian, please have the honors for your opening remarks, please.
Hi, good morning. Thank you. Una-una po.
Ayun. Good morning, everyone. I'm Christian Ensomo, and it's glad to. Sorry. Good morning again, PSA, and thank you for having us. Thank you for having us, and we would like to thank everyone for. We're happy to be here, and we want to introduce to you a new developmental league in the country po, Perlas ng Silangan Basketball League.
Okay, so what is this? What is Perlas ng Silangan Developmental League, please?
Perlas ng Silangan Basketball League is a nationwide basketball league that focuses on kids 21 and below po. So as young as 8 years old, we do have 6 age categories. And what is good about this is we will be the one to go to the regions po. So kami yung lalapit sa mga kabataan natin through the regions, and to create this, to have this platform, reach everyone po dito sa bansa po natin.
Si Mr. Nato siguro.
Mr. Nato, please. Additional po.
Sige po. So ganito po, ang Perlas ng Silangan Basketball League, bagamat nag-umpisa tayo sa basketball for our season 1, tinitignan po natin to as a good content. Hopefully, nakafocus po tayo sa youth development. When we say youth development, siguro ito lang po ang tanging liga na mag-uumpisa tayo sa basketball, pero 360 yung degrees yung pagtingin natin sa sports and youth development. So kasama dito, meron tayong mga ka-partners na magbibigay ng self-development training pati sa mga bata. So sports plus life skills. Alam mo po, marami tayong mga basketballista. Usap namin before, I think 3-4 days ago, si Commissioner Atoy ko, sabi niya, alam mo, ang dami nating very successful PBA players, pero they ended up na ito, meron kami PBA legends para tulungan sila. So dito, mga bata pa lang, as early as 8 years old hanggang 19, we also teach, we don't just teach basketball, but we also teach life skills. Para po, para holistic yung approach natin. So this is the only league na siguro ganun po yung approach. We look at it as multidimensional, hindi lang sports, for sports sake.
Ano pong edad yung kinikater ninyo? From anong age?
So,
until what age?
So there are several, there's under age groups. So there's under 11, under 13, under 15, under 17, and under 19. So under 21 pa pala. So yun po.
Balik sa kay Sir Christian muna. May katanong na. Yan lang kay Sultan. Kay Julia, kay Nuna.
Sir Aquino, yes.
Paano po ba nabuo ito? Ano ba yung konsepto na to? Since ikaw yung konsultan, ano ba yung mga tina-target ninyo na teams, ilan, anong mga kwento tungkol dito?
Actually, yung team ko, ibang-iba kasi sa ibang team ng basketball team. Nakapag-assemble ako ng mga look-alike, play-alike ng mga players. Like LeBron James, may atoy ko, Gianni Barrientos. Parang ito, yung magbigay ng saya sa mga bata pag lumuluwas kayo sa mga probinsya. Ngayon, eksakto, nagtayo siya ng liga. Ako mahilig ako makipagano lagi collab. Minsan kumakatawa sa, di ba, alam yan, sa Team Pacquiao, sa MPBL. Pero hindi kami mabigyan ng chance yung mga bata ko makapaglaro. Pero ngayon, dahil sa Peras ng Silangan, sa program ng DILG, yung Buhay Ingatan, Droga Ayawan, may apply namin yun. Instead kasi, naglapit sila sa PBA dati para yun, maka-reach out sa mga bata. Yung team ko perfect talaga gagamitin. Kasi pwede kami maglaro kahit sa mga kalsada, sa mga kahit anong lugar yung mahirap pasukin, makikipasok ko yung mga celebrity lookalike ko. Tapos, yun.
So tuwing may laban, mayroong special attraction na ito ang team mo na ito.
Parang Arlen Group sa liga.
Yung mga Freddy Cacros,
Mayweather, Pacquiao, sabihin mo lahat. Hindi ako kung Martin lahat.
Christopher De Leon, alam ko meron pa nakikita.
Sa panaginip.
Kalaban nila mga yung local teams doon.
Actually, dahil sa marami sila, 24, hinati ko dalawang team. Kahit sila laban-laban, kaya minsan, kahit PSA, magawa kayo ng All-Star nyo, pwede may laban sa team ko. Natuwa.
Ayun, salamat sa ano na yan. But isa lang, balikan ko lang si Christian.
Yes, sir.
So for this initial offering ninyo, ano yung kailan, ilang teams ang unang sasali, saan ang mga venues, please share with us.
So what will happen po, initially we would want to invite everyone for tomorrow's media launch po, and this will be a media launch. But we will have our NCR leg by July 2024 po. We will launch it in Araneta Coliseum po to start with. But most of the games will be happening po in Quezon City and Manila area. So Amoranto, San Andres po. Ito yung mga courts natin. And then after which po, once NCR started po, we would go to Cordillera Administrative Region for the car leg naman po ng ating PSBL. And then pababa na po tayo. So we would go to Bicol, we would go to Cebu, Davao, and then Cagayan de Oro po. So we will probably have a total of 7 regionals po. And what will happen po is each of the top teams in the region will be invited po for the national at the end of the year po. And sorry, to answer your question, we partner with the LGUs. So per for the teams, so per region po, there will be a total of 12 to 16 teams po per age category. So medyo mahaba po ang basketballan po natin.
So bali 4 na age categories to, no?
A total of 6 po.
6.
Yes. So a total of 6, and each category is 12 teams po.